G'day everybody, welcome to Workshop Wednesday. I thought I'd get in front of the camera this time, give you all a bit of a culture shock. The last few weeks I've been alluding to a set of Temu tools that Reese found for me, and I ordered much to his chagrin. And anyway, this video is using those tools. I've been doing a bit of work on some of the pieces I've turned in the past and reworking them just to make them a little bit better. So Reese thought these Temu tools would be good for that sort of work, so he suggested them to me, and I thought I'm going to get them and I'm going to do a review. So at the end of the video you'll see the review on the Temu tools. What I'm going to do is I've got this silky oak bowl that I'm not completely happy with, so I'm going to whack that back on the lathe, and I'm going to use the Temu tools to reverse engineer it. So we'll get on with it, we'll see how it goes, and I'll come back at the end with a bit of a review on the tools. Okay, everybody, thank you for coming along for the ride today. I think we come up with a pretty good result. I'm happy that I've now got a nice blank to start again. The reverse engineering with the Timo tools worked really well. They performed as well as you'd expect something cheap to do. Thanks for coming along for the ride and having a look on Workshop Wednesday on the 1st of April. Please like, subscribe, share, do all those nice things, and I will see you next week.